Let's talk about the material. I don't want to bothering you with all the settings, but I tell you main setting. For example, we insert a model here. Any model that I said before has a material tab. The properties tab is a material tab. All of the settings from here is the same, and you can go to the asset and you can access a lot of material here. And you can see the label. You can change the label first. You can see we have a different material here. First, the label parameter. You can change the color of the label here directly. You can see. Also, you can use a texture going here and make it white again. If you click here, you can open the file and insert your texture as a label. For example, this. You can see. And here is a reflection. You can see the reflections here at the top or other things. You can turn it off if you don't want to make it a reflection. Turn it on or off. Okay. And reflectance is for glass or something. I will show you more. Don't bothering with these settings. Index of refraction. IOR, it's for creating water, beer, anything. IOR is different. We have a different situation in the reflection, refraction, anything. But going here for metal top, and we are going to roughness. You can see you can make it rough or more reflective. For anisotropy, it's create something like this. Anisotropy. Just don't bother me to angle, level. We don't want to change them because we have a lot of assets here in this software. We don't want to bothering ourselves with that. Okay, we can delete that. Going to the asset. There was that basic shape. And yeah, it's nice. Going to the parameter. You need more turn. Yeah, that's nice. Turn 2. That's nice. Again, with this simple shape, we have material, just one surface in an object that we have more than one object. We have a different material to assign to different part of the object, but it's the one. You can see we have one object. You can assign a texture here. You can make a reflection metallic. You can change the reflectance, the angle of that. Index of reflection, we have a number here. You can see. You can make it rough. And transparency. You can see if you want, you can make it transparent for water or something else. We don't need to them. It's a very complex. But another interesting thing is I want to make it I think which one is best to yeah, that's nice again. At the top of that, at the top of material, I want to assign bump map. You can make it bump and change normal. Just change the normal. Click here, and from here you can assign a normal map. These are something like this is a normal map, and then you can see going to the normal map level. Don't bothering yourself with this. Just something like that. You can see it's a fake 3D object. It's playing with the light and the camera angle and create a bump, something like that. That's it. It's a bump. And if you want to assign more texture, just come here and assign a texture to your model. Assign a material. Going to the material, you can see we have metallic material here, all metallic material. It's very simple. You can see, for example, drag and drop. You can see all the settings will be changed automatically. Don't bother yourself with this thin film interface for creating such a these things. Thin film, okay? So we have in the material set. We have a glass material. You can see we have a different situation here. This is an grass. You can see it changes. This distortion is IOR, index of refraction. Okay, index of refraction. If you change it, we have more dense object. It's the water, it's the glass or something. The IOR is makes different in water, diamond, beer. You can see this is IOR. And we have lots of glass here. You can see it gives it the texture in a roughness, anything that you want, automatically do it. You can see that all settings will be changed. And don't bothering yourself. Just use these presets and just change the color or anything that you want. Paints, material. Nice. You can see for car or anything that you want. Plastic material. Thin plastic or something else. Other material. These are bubbles. It's like a thin film. You can see. Interesting. So we have lots of material here. There's a background image, HDR image I will show you later. Gradient image for the texture. Brush metal image for anisotropy. These are just image, that's not texture. Paper, these are image. Okay, the material are here. And that's it. Just use this material and then change some settings here to achieve your goal. Don't bother yourself with these all settings.